To continue with lactation, mammary alveolar cell numbers and alveolar cell activity must be maintained, and the milk produced must be removed regularly. Hormones required for milk synthesis include prolactin, growth hormone, insulin, parathyroid hormone, ACTH, and thyroid-stimulating hormone. The latter two hormones are required for their subsequent stimulation of glucocorticoid and thyroid hormone production, respectively. In cows and goats, once lactation has been established, the concentration of basal circulating prolactin and the release of prolactin at milking can be reduced to low levels without affecting milk yield. This situation contrasts markedly with that in non-ruminants and even in other ruminants, particularly sheep. The increase in prolactin secretion during milking is brought about by stimulation of the udder and teats. No prolactin is released when the udder is denervated. Whereas prolactin is important for milk secretion in non-ruminants, growth hormone is more important in the maintenance of ruminant lactation. Growth hormone is galactopoietic, increased milk yield in cow, and is essential for the maintenance of lactation in the doe. Growth hormones do not directly stimulate the mammary gland, but instead seems to direct nutrients from the body tissues toward milk synthesis. Thyroid hormone is essential for the maintenance of lactation in cow. Partial removal of the thyroid gland causes a decrease in milk production that can be restored by treatment with thyroactive compounds. Treatment of thyroid intact cattle with thyroactive compounds can increase milk yields that are associated with increases in metabolism at the expense of body fat and protein. Glucose is required for lactose synthesis. However, in doe and cow, insulin is not required for glucose transports into the mammary gland, alveolar cells, or for milk synthesis. The pancreas releases less insulin in response to a glucose load. In animals other than cattle and goats, mammary uptake of insulin is maintained throughout lactation and is essential for maintenance of lactation. Intact adrenal glands are essential for the maintenance of lactation in both ruminants and non-ruminants. Mineralocorticoid and glucocorticoid components are needed. Plasma corticosteroid concentration are higher in lactating than in non-lactating animals and are higher in high-yielding than in low-yielding cows. Lastly, in view of relatively high calcium content of milk, it is not surprisingly that parathyroid hormone is related to the maintenance of lactation. Parathyroid hormone stimulates bone resorption of calcium and the conversion of vitamin D to its active form, which is necessary for absorption of calcium from the intestine. The concentration of this active form in plasma is markedly elevated during lactation.